Whoa.
They're playing water on them.
Yeah. They're playing.
They're those,
They're dolphins, baby.
they're those whale dolphins.
Mommy wants to look. Let's do it.
They're those whale dolphins.
Mommy wants to. Mommy's never seen anything like that in her whole life. That's so amazing for you. Okay, I want you to be quiet. From the other boat.
This is why I put this boat together. Get y'all close to nature.
Unfreaking real. James, there's just no way we can thank you enough.
This
Oh, it's
is
all good.
This is
Like I said, I had to run this
fantastic.
fuel anyway to see how this thing's going to perform.
Fantastic.
The only time we get to work on the boats is the rainy days.
Well, and
a
this is
boat.
this is the only way we'd be able to afford anything like this.
Hey, I know what y'all going through.
Golly.
Y'all are new parents.
Wow.